Twist and turn. Understanding screw on the lid in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common but sometimes puzzling English phrase, screw on the lid. Whether you're packing lunch or securing your water bottle, understanding this phrase will not only boost your vocabulary but also ensure your next snack stays fresh. The phrase, screw on the lid, consists of three parts. 1. Screw. This is a verb that means to turn something in a circular motion, usually to tighten or loosen it. 2. On. A preposition that, in this context, indicates contact and position. 3. The lid. A noun referring to the cover or cap of a container. When we combine these words, screw on the lid means to attach the cover of a container by turning it in a circular motion until it's tight and secure. You'll often come across this phrase in everyday situations, such as in the kitchen, securing the lid of a jar of jam or a bottle of sauce. During travel, making sure your drink bottle is closed to prevent spills. In DIY projects, attaching the top of a paint can or a container of screws. Understanding this phrase is not just about language. It's about engaging more confidently in daily tasks. Visualize turning the lid clockwise until you can't turn it anymore. That's screwing on the lid. It's a simple action, but it's crucial for keeping things airtight or preventing leaks. Remember, if you're unscrewing, you'll turn the lid counterclockwise. Don't confuse with screw in. Screw in is used for items like bulbs or screws, where the object goes into something else. Right-tighty, lefty-loosey, a handy rhyme to remember the direction for tightening or loosening lids. Screw on the lid is more than a phrase. It's an action that we perform regularly. It's a great example of how English often describes precise actions with just a few words. I hope this video helps you not just in learning English, but also in keeping your cookies crisp and your drinks spill-free. See you in the next video.